Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Photoshop tips and tricks. And in today's video, I'm going to explain everything you need to know about export preference settings, whether you want to export your PSD file to PNG, GIF, or JPEG, as the case may be. I'm going to walk you through step by step about export preference setting in Photoshop. Let me show you how. Like for instance, you have your PSD file right here, and then you want to export and you are getting it confused. Let's say for instance, you want to export this file as PNG. You want to simply come to the top right here and then make sure you go to File, navigate to Export. Then you need to make sure you work on your export preference. So go ahead and select Export Preference. Just like so. So at this point here, you have Quick Export Format. If you click on here, you have different file format. You have PNG, you have JPEG, you have GIF, as the case may be. Now, in some cases, if you are trying to export a very large file size of PNG or JPEG or GIF, and then you want to make sure you consider smaller file size, that way, once you check a smaller file size, that will drastically reduce the size of the file without losing the quality. Okay, then you can choose your preference export right here. If you are the type that often export a PNG file, choosing PNG file. So if you want to export JPEG, you can come back here again and switch to JPEG or GIF. Then where to export each file, make sure this is checked. Export file to, so just make sure you check on ask where to export each file. That is, if you want to export, Photoshop is going to ask you your file destination. That's the start. Then quick export metadata. If you want to add a copyright and contact info, you can choose this. But if you are not the type that creates a copyright content, just go ahead and choose none right here. Then convert to RGB. Here, if you are exporting for web graphic, it is advisable you convert to RGB. But if you are exporting for print, just leave this unchecked. These are the two scenarios you need to take into consideration. Lastly, you want to make sure you export asset to the location of the current document or export asset to the last location. Then make sure this is checked. Once you are done, simply come to the top right here, go ahead and hit on OK, and the preference has been saved. By the time you export your file, you are going to get it in PNG file format with a smaller file size. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Photoshop settings like this, consider to hit on that subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.